family, relatives, and friends become family. Kasi more than 8 years that we know each other. So, more than family now. So, in behalf of the family, this is our gift for you. Pagpasensya na. So, yeah.
Oh, wow.
So, napag-utusan po ako to say some gift, wish for you. So, you know, loves naman. we are before partner in crime or whatever. But of course, wish ko sa'yo, for you to, I wish for you the enough of this world can offer, na ma-enjoy mo whatever that this world can offer, but of course, sabi nga natin, you cannot bring everything after this life. So, and another wish for you is, sana to know God more, of course. So, of course, that's what we can bring after this life. So, yun yung wish ko sa'yo. Alam ko na nag-enjoy ka this moment or continuous it. We're not in the same thing, but what we have in common is we focus on not in this life, but life after death. Thank you so much po and enjoy po tayong lahat. Happy birthday.
Picture.